What is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another massive super episode right here on this channel. In this video we are going to look at RESTful APIs for web communication. RESTful APIs enable standardized communication between systems over the internet using HTTP requests for efficient data operations. We also have what exactly is REST. REST is an architectural style for web services that uses HTTP methods to interact with resources via URLs. So we also have core HTTP methods which have the get to retrieve data, post to create data, put or maybe patch to update data, and also delete to remove data. We also have the industry adoption where companies like Amazon, Google, Twitter use RESTful APIs for efficient data access and integration. So implementing RESTful APIs in Python, Python libraries for REST, we have Python actually offers several powerful libraries for working with RESTful APIs, where we have request a simple HTTP client for consuming APIs, and then we have Flask for lightweight framework for building APIs. We also have Django REST framework for comprehensive toolkit for API development, and then we also have Fast API for modern high performance framework for automatic documentation. So we'll look at a client side example using so here's a code block where you can actually play around with to understand the client side example using the request library, where we import requests, get the request to retrieve data in these lines of code, post the request to create a new user, and then we put the request to update a new user, and then delete the request to remove a user. So try and play around with this in your VS Code and let's know how it went for you. Thank you for watching this video.